drifted like wreckage on a silent tide. Then came the birth of inner conflict. A jagged splinter caught beneath the hide. I stood before the heavy iron hinges, begging the hinges to finally open the gate, to leave behind the ruins of the wreckage and trade the hollow silence for a heavier weight. Now witness the awakened mind, stripping the layers of the frantic years, seeking a sacred balance, moving through the valley of forgotten fear. No longer a shadow of a former motion, establishing an inner authority at last, a radiant alignment across the black ocean, severing the cables that tethered the past. The ribs expand to house an open heart. No more the fortress or the barricade. I am the artisan and I am the art, descending deep into the valley of shade. I found a still